everyone, I'm Smarty Mukherjee and I am back with another Excel tutorial today. I hope you have already watched my previous tutorials and you are enjoying this learning time. Today I am going to talk about comments and notes in Excel. So I am using a Mac laptop and I have this Excel version 16.40, and I just wanted to share how comments and notes work because both of them sound very similar and most of the people get confused by comments and notes in Excel. So first of all, let's I have created this table, which is a very simple table which I have also used in my previous videos. So here I want to show you that how to use comments first. So let's go to review. You'll find this option in review. You go to review and there is an option of new comment. Say I highlight one cell and then I click on new comment, this plus sign here, I click on it and it gives me an option to put my comment here. So let's say write something, Smarty is preparing Excel tutorial. So now you have an option like chat, this arrow box which says post. So you can click on it and you will see that your comment is posted. It also shows you the date and the time when you have posted this comment here, and you have an option to edit your comment or save the comment or cancel it. And the beauty about the comments in Excel is that if you have put a Excel, you are working on one worksheet and then you share the same worksheet with a second person who's going to work on the same data, they can reply to your comment. Say I say that students are learning Excel. So again they have an option to post it and it will show up as with the date and the time on the Excel, that when you have posted the comment. And then you also have an option to resolve it because it says resolve thread, so it keeps on jotting down all the comments which somebody has put in a particular cell, and then you have an option to resolve the thread or delete this thread. So this becomes really handy if you are a software developer or if you are into data analytics, where you find something about a particular cell and the data inside that cell, and then you want to share that information without verbally communicating to that person. Just by passing on this workbook, you can just put your comment there and the next person will get to know if you were facing some issue. In that case, you can put some notes here, and when the issue is resolved, the other person can resolve this thread or delete this thread. So this was the comment. So in previous version of Excel, this was not the case. It was not like thread. This feature has been introduced recently. Okay, so now let's have a look at the notes option. So notes is like simple notes taking when you have some observation about a particular cell and you want to share that observation with somebody else and make them aware of the data inside that cell. That is when you use notes. So you can simply go to a particular cell, go to a review option, go to a review tab, and then go to notes option. You can click on it and it will give you an option to new notes, and then you can add something. You can say that this is maths score or recheck it. So like this you can put the comments, and then you have the option of reviewing all the comments on the same time. If you have multiple notes in one particular sheet, you have an option show all notes. It will show all notes. Then you have an option to hide the notes, or next note, or previous note, or edit note, or convert the notes to a comment so that the other person can again start a thread. So this is beautiful option. Now notes actually work like the comments which we used to have in Excel, but with this new feature, comments have become like a chat box, like a thread of chat, and notes have become like comments which we used to have in earlier version of Excel. So I hope this is very clear to you. In case you want to delete the notes, there is an option under the same tab which says delete. You can delete the notes. So with this feature, it is a great option where you can share your observations with the second person who's going to work on this sheet. So I hope you understood the difference between the comments and notes. So when you work on your workbooks and you analyze the data, these options will come really handy. Before I end this video, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you share this video with any of your friends. You never know, you are going to help somebody. All right, take care, all the best.